Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about anatomy of nose. As you all know, the functions of nose are it acts as a respiratory passage as well as it is an organ of smell or olfaction. The nasal cavity is lined by mucosa and the upper one-third of the nasal cavity can see here the upper one-third of the nasal cavity is lined by olfactory mucosa. The rest of the nasal cavity is lined by respiratory mucosa. We say that it is an organ of smell. So the receptors for olfaction or olfactory receptors are present in the olfactory mucosa. The respiratory mucosa is highly vascular and this region warms the inspired air. Also, there are numerous serous glands and mucus glands. The serous glands makes the air moist, while the secretions of the mucus glands trap the dust particles and other particles. So the nose acts as an air conditioner in which the inspired air is warmed, moistened and cleansed before it reaches to the delicate lung. We can divide the nose into nasal cavity and external nose. The external nose has a skeletal framework which is made up of bones and cartilages. The bones which forming the external nose are nasal bones. You can see here nasal bones and the frontal process of maxilla bone. And the cartilages are superior and inferior nasal cartilages, septal cartilages and small alar cartilages. Nasal cavity. The nasal cavity extends from the external nares or nostrils to the posterior nasal upper and is subdivided into right and left halves by the nasal septum, which we discuss later. Okay. Each half has a roof, a floor and medial and lateral. Each half measures about 5 cm in height, 5 to 7 cm in length and 1.5 cm in width near the floor, and width near the roof is about 1 to 2 mm only. The roof is 7 cm long and 2 mm wide. It slopes downwards both in front and behind. The middle horizontal part is formed by the cribriform plate of the ethmoid. The anterior slope is formed by nasal part of the frontal bone, nasal bone and the nasal cartilages. The posterior slope is formed by the inferior surface of the body of sphenoid. The floor is about 5 cm long and 1.5 cm wide. It is formed by palatine process of the maxilla and the horizontal plate of palatine bone. I hope this video helped you to understand this topic, and if you have any doubts and suggestions, write it in the comment box below, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up button. Thank you.